What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, and we are at the place to be. We are at Mass Acceleration Motorsports. The bays are open because we have some cars that Mass Acceleration works on. We are at the car show. You can see mine, you can see RC Redeye, you can see the LT5 Corvette road track car, Vipers, Hellcat Row. I'm gonna show you a few cars, see what happens. If you don't know who this is RC Redeye on Instagram. This is a 1,000-wheel whippled Hellcat that he takes everywhere. He has traveled all over the US. He was telling me that he's been to Minneapolis, Chicago. He has driven this car on rallies and so much more. You can see the wrap done by Guzman Customs. Nice weld wheels, not reels. Crazy trailer, but that's part one. Then we have the TRX hauling it. You can't beat that. That's one crazy setup. Crazy setup. But like I said, this is Hellcat Row. Then we have another whippled Hellcat, and it has 940. I'm gonna grab your sign and put it back up, so you know I'm not lying. 940 to the wheel. Super clean color. Demon wheels. But let's go take a look at some more of these Hellcats. Now, this is the car you see me race often. This is G's short block 6.2 with a Pro Charger. Again, this was a car that I race all the time at Mooresville. I don't know our record anymore because he hasn't been racing, and neither have I. But he may come to Mooresville today, so check out that video. Then we have another whippled Hellcat. Crazy setup. Got a 3.5 pulley, big tires, simple transmission more than likely. This thing is probably crazy fast. All built at Mass Acceleration. And then this is the one I wanted to show you. This is one off the showroom floor that he brought here. Now this is a 717. It's a regular Hellcat. They did the stage one package, $5,500, and it gained 150 wheel. So now the car sits at 750 wheel horsepower, and all you did was spend $5 grand. You can't beat that for the dollar at all. Hellcat Row. Then we have one of my favorite cars, the Viper, on some AG wheels, which is insane. You can see all the carbon fiber. I don't know if this is wrap or paint. I believe it's paint. It's almost a matte yellow, and it's crazy. Has all the aero. We have another brown. Insane. Then let's get to my guy Nick's Z06 C6 with a Corsa exhaust. It's on my list of cars that I want, not need, but want. And it's almost a spec. You got the silver or the black that I would go with. Then you have a Pro Charge done by, again, Mass Acceleration with a parachute. We'll get to that in a second. Then we have the track car with over 1,000 wheel on this new LT5 blower or supercharger. It used to be a Pro Charge car if you watch some of my old videos, but the thing is insane, sounds amazing. And again, it still has the competition seats.
Pardon the interruption.
And I'm gonna show you the parachute.
Sports bike, and you're parked in front of a blue Challenger. Can you please move it? Black sports bike in front of a blue Challenger. Parked on the curb in front of the building. Thank you.
And then we're gonna show you this beast. Now, this is an older Mopar that has taken, I believe, Devin told me 4 to 6 years, or G told me 4 to 6 years. It is a little under or right at $1 million that they have into this car. Insane. Brakes. Paint match. Everything. Huge blower. Everything about this car is custom all the way down to the frame. Leather interior. I mean, everything you can think of is done to this car. and still streetable. But this car is absolutely insane. The green is crazy. I wish it, or I hope it does justice on the camera. With the bronze, does it pretty good justice. Also, if you watched my last video, you guys saw these two cars separated. Now they are actually somewhat put together. This is your Jeep Trackhawk bottom end and a GTX top end that they're putting together for an all-wheel drive monster. He took, again, a SRT Jeep Trackhawk, 60,000 miles, shredded it apart, ripped it apart, put a GTX on top. This car has been in the shop for a while. It's a resto mod that they are doing. And one thing that you'll learn when it comes to these style cars, those custom builds like these, they take time. And they do amazing work. We got a nice CUDA in gold. Every car here is fast. Then we have a nice Oldsmobile. And then we have Mr. One Iconic B about to start the car. I caught him at the right time. Some all-wheel drive beasts. Here we have a Nissan GTR, Hellcat Durango. Which one would you choose? I hear a Scat Pack going somewhere. There it is. Does it take off? Let's find out. Are we gonna wait? I think that's the guy that I met from Spartanburg. Sounds good. But you can see there's cars all the way up there. I believe Gap Queen and some others are all, where are they? Oh, all the way up there. But again, all-wheel drive beast. Then you can see we got cars all the way down there. All right, so you guys saw a lot of the cars. Again, there is a lot of fast cars here. 800, 900, 1,000. You'll find out if you didn't watch my last video, go watch it. Getting dropped off here tonight. 1,000. Wait, oh, 500, 600, 1,000. I don't know how much the Vipers make, but there is a lot of fast cars. If you ever need anything Mopar or GM related, Mass Acceleration is the place. They have done every single one of my cars, and you see I go fast. Let me know what your favorite car is, and that's a wrap.